ma'am, sir. Good day. I'm Melissa M. Pedines. I'm 37 years old from Rizal, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I'm married and blessed two kids. Our ages is 13 years old and 2 years old. I'm high school graduate. I have been experienced here in the Philippines for 2 years. My permanent duty is to take care 8-month baby girl. My other duties are cleaning the house, wash the dishes, washing their clothes, marketing with my madam, cooking with my madam. And also, I have been working in Hong Kong last 2018 to 2019 for 8 months only. I serve 6 members in the family, 3 adult and 3 children. Our ages is 11 boy, 9 boy, and 5 years old girl. My duties are cleaning the house, wash the dishes, washing their clothes, ironing, marketing, cooking, hand wash some clothes. And the 3 children, I assist them what they need. And the 5 years old girl, I sending and pick up from the school. I assist them there to taking a bath. I play with them and reading. And I give full care and attention. I want to work abroad to support my family and I want to save money for the future of my son. Ma'am, sir, please choose me. I'm obedient, honest, kind, hardworking, trustworthy. If you will choose me, I will promise my very best. I will focus my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.